Hello reality fans, it's Uncle Mark's reality show. Let me just show you what I'm doing here. This has to do with pottery, believe it or not. I'm trying to make some very pure iron oxide that is pretty much the same as rust. So what I've got here is some steel wires. I started out with some of this stuff, steel wire, bent it into two ziggity-zaggity bends in there, one on each side, not touching. It's starting to cloud up in there. Hooked it up to a battery charger, set on 12 volts. We're now running about 1 amp. I've added salt. I'll add a little more salt here. The more salt you put in the water, the better it'll conduct electricity, and the more amps you'll draw. I don't want to draw a lot. In fact, I think I'll just leave it alone. So by passing electricity through this salt water and exposing these steel wires, which have a lot of iron in them, we've got an electrolysis reaction going. You can see the bubbles coming up. It's getting quite interesting in there. I don't want to breathe too much of that. I believe that's going to be chlorine gas and hydrogen perhaps. It started out real clear. It's already starting to get a little cloudy and weird in there. Definitely interesting. I would expect this to run a long time, maybe overnight, at 1 amp. I think it's going to be fine. So I'm just going to let it run. Right now it's almost bedtime, so I hate to go off and leave it, but I guess I will. Electrolysis.